Hey guys, T-Wolf Trader here after a long hiatus. Today I want to do a quick video. I've been getting a lot of comments on how to add the volume weighted average price indicator to your charts in ThinkOrSwim. So I'll go over that. Should just be a few clicks, but if it's your first time navigating through this, um, it will be a little confusing at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy. So in order to add the VWAP to your chart, you're essentially just going to click on Edit Studies, and then the Edit Studies, uh, the pop-up window, you're going to type VWAP and add that to your price. Now here we see three rows. Each one corresponds to a different chart, so you could add the VWAP to your price chart. You could add it to your volume chart, which wouldn't make much sense, or you could add it to a separate chart entirely of its own, but I think it makes the most sense to put it on the price chart. So then you click Apply, and the VWAP immediately pops up on your chart. Here we're looking at a chart of TQQ. Over this last week, I'm looking at it on the 5-minute time frame, which you can see up here in this 5-minute. And I think VWAP works best when you trade it on this time frame. So what pops up initially is the VWAP itself, which is the middle line. The high standard two standard deviations above that, and then 2 standard deviations below that middle line as well. I don't usually use that upper and lower band, so you'll want to turn those off for trading. So you just click into the studies, click on the gear. In the VWAP customizing pop-up menu, you click on upper band and you unclick show plot. You do that for the same for the lower band, and you click OK and then apply. And there you have it. There's your VWAP right there. I guess I'll just do a quick introduction to what the VWAP is. It's the price weighted by volume, and so it's a live indicator of where most of the buy orders are being executed. Typically, if you're below the VWAP, you'll expect the price to revert back to the mean, so it'll want to go back to that weighted average, the volume weighted average price, and you'll probably take a bullish position, maybe at some overextended low price. And then when it's above the VWAP, you'll probably want to take a bearish position on the stock if you're shorting, and assume that the price will eventually fall back down to the VWAP. Now again, this isn't 100% foolproof plan. Sometimes it stays above VWAP for a long time. Sometimes it stays below VWAP for a long time. But the VWAP is just one of many indicators you can use in your day trading, and it's a very powerful indicator because the price tends to have a memory, which means that it'll tend to revert to that at some point eventually. It's like a rubber band. It'll eventually snap back to that average price. So yeah, that's all for today. If there's any additional videos you guys want to see, feel free to give me a shout out and let me know.